In this video, I'm going to explain how this single-digit 7-segment display works with an Arduino. Before we look at the code, let me show you the wiring first. So I'm going to take this off. I'm going to turn off my Arduino. I'm going to take this off and show you how it's connected. It has so many pins, as you can see here. Each pin control a single LED. So this is very simple actually. The concept is you have multiple LEDs and each LED is controlled by one of those pins, and you have this middle pin here, the bottom. So you have this dot, you see this dot in the corner, the bottom middle pin. So the middle pin here on the bottom, that is the ground. You do need a resistor for that, so maybe like 220 ohm resistor. I'm using a 220 ohm resistor here for that pin. Now the rest of the pins are the other LEDs. So each LED has its own pin, and you can turn them on and off using the Arduino. Now, I'm going to take you to the computer and show you the code, but it's really simple concept. Don't forget the resistor, and that's about it. Now, let's go look at the code. This will make a lot more sense. One last thing to look at here before we go see the code is I have this in the middle of the breadboard. So you have each side controlling the pins separately. So make sure you have it in the middle and you have that breadboard line splitting the display. The other thing I want to show here is the Arduino pins that I'm using is the digital pin side, and just choose whatever pins you like to control those LEDs, just similar to like regular LED. Let's say you're controlling a regular LED like that, right? So same thing, kind of same idea. Now let's go look at the code, and it will make more sense. Now let's take a look at the code and how the display actually works. By the way, this is the user manual for MicePlay. This is where I got the Arduino kit from. I will leave a link in the description if you are interested. Let me scroll down here. I think they did a very good job documenting everything. That's why I recommend it. This is not sponsored or anything. But let me look down here and show you this real quick. This image will make a lot of sense. So this is your display. You can see you have A, B, F, G, C, E, and D, and the DP, which is this dot. This is how you control each one of those LEDs. And it's simply by turning on the pin that is connected to. So if you want to turn the F on, you would just see which pin F is connected to. Let's say it's connected to, in this case, we have F is connected to D8. You would just turn D8 on. If you want to turn it off, you turn that low. So just controlling those pins that way. And then you have the ground that is connected to all other LEDs, and the ground is at the bottom of the display. So if you have the dot here, you have 5 pins at the bottom. Let me see if I can draw this for you. I think that will do it. So you have 5 pins here and one more. This guy would be the ground pin, and then we will connect that to ground through the resistor. I hope that makes sense. And yeah, that's how it would work. And yeah, just use some of the digital pins to turn these on and off. Uh, let's look down here at the code real quick, but nothing special really. You're just declaring some variables and then setting those pins to output. Again, if you've just done an LED blinking, this will make a lot of sense. You just need to blink those LEDs or lit those LEDs in the form you like to assemble whatever digit or number you want to display. And then just turn those pins high or low as you see, as desired, basically. Before I end this video, let's take a quick example. Let me scroll back to my display image here. I'm gonna zoom in just a little bit. So let's say I want the number 1, or to display the number 1. I would need to turn on the F and the E while everything else is off, right? Now, let's say I want to do 2. then it would be this A, B, G, E, and D, and then C and F will be off. Makes sense, right? This is like 2, right? So you get the idea. This is how it works. You just have to turn those pins based on the desired number or character you want to show on the display. I hope this makes sense. I will leave it there for this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.